Ashwagandha. It sounds exotic, ancient even. And it is. This small, woody plant native to India has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, translates to smell of horse. Not exactly appealing, right? But don't let the name deter you. This potent herb is believed to offer a wide range of health benefits. From reducing stress and anxiety to improving sleep and boosting energy, ashwagandha is experiencing a surge in popularity in the West. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. Ashwagandha is considered an adaptogen. Adaptogens are natural substances believed to help the body adapt to stress. Think of them like a buffer against life's daily challenges. They work by regulating the body's stress response system, helping to bring it back into balance. This balancing act is what makes ashwagandha so intriguing to researchers and health enthusiasts alike. Beyond stress relief, ashwagandha is also being studied for its potential to enhance cognitive function. Some research suggests it may improve memory and focus, making it a popular choice for students and professionals. Additionally, athletes are turning to ashwagandha for its potential to increase strength and endurance. With so many potential benefits, it's no wonder this ancient root is gaining modern fame. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve sleep, or boost your overall well-being, ashwagandha might just be the natural remedy you've been searching for. So why not give it a try and see if this ancient root can bring some balance to your modern life? Stress. It's a word that has become all too familiar in our daily lives. It's become an unwelcome companion in our fast-paced world, following us from our homes to our workplaces and even into our social lives. And chronic stress? That's a recipe for a whole host of health problems, both mental and physical. From headaches and fatigue to more serious conditions like heart disease and depression, stress can wreak havoc on our minds and bodies. It can affect our sleep, our mood, and even our relationships. Enter ashwagandha, the potential knight in shining armor. This ancient herb, used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, is gaining attention for its stress-relieving properties. This ancient herb is believed to combat stress by regulating cortisol, our primary stress hormone. Cortisol is essential for our body's response to stress, but too much of it can be harmful. When we're stressed, our cortisol levels spike, putting our bodies into fight or flight mode. This response is meant to protect us, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues. While this response is helpful in short bursts, chronic stress keeps our cortisol levels elevated, leading to those nasty side effects we mentioned earlier. It can disrupt our sleep, impair our immune function, and even affect our cognitive abilities. Ashwagandha is thought to work by interacting with the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, the control center for our stress response. By modulating this axis, ashwagandha may help to bring balance to our stress hormones. By modulating the HPA axis, ashwagandha may help to normalize cortisol levels, effectively reducing the negative impacts of stress. This could lead to improved mood, better sleep, and a greater sense of overall well-being. So does ashwagandha really work? There's a growing body of scientific evidence suggesting that it just might. Numerous studies have investigated the effects of ashwagandha on stress, anxiety, and overall well-being. One study published in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine found that participants who took ashwagandha supplements for 60 days reported significant reductions in stress and anxiety levels compared to those who took a placebo. Another study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed similar results. Participants with chronic stress who took ashwagandha extract for 6 weeks experienced significant improvements in stress levels, sleep quality, and overall quality of life. These studies, along with others, suggest that ashwagandha may be an effective natural remedy for managing stress and improving mental well-being. While the research on ashwagandha is promising, it's important to note that not all studies have shown the same positive results. Some studies have shown only modest effects, while others have found no significant difference between ashwagandha and a placebo. This inconsistency in findings highlights the need for more robust, large-scale studies to definitively determine the efficacy of ashwagandha. Factors such as dosage, duration of use, and individual variations in response to ashwagandha can all influence the outcome of studies. Additionally, many studies have been conducted on relatively small groups of people, making it difficult to generalize the findings to larger populations. Despite these limitations, The existing research on ashwagandha provides a compelling argument for its potential as a natural stress reliever. If you're considering adding ashwagandha to your wellness routine, it's crucial to talk to your doctor first. They can help determine if ashwagandha is right for you and advise you on the appropriate dosage. Ashwagandha is generally considered safe for most adults when taken in recommended doses. However, like any supplement, it can cause side effects in some people. Common side effects are typically mild and may include upset stomach, diarrhea, and drowsiness. It's important to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed while monitoring for any adverse reactions. Ashwagandha may interact with certain medications, so it's essential to inform your doctor of all medications and supplements you are currently taking. In addition to its stress-busting potential, ashwagandha is also gaining attention for its possible sleep-enhancing effects. Many people struggling with stress also experience difficulties with sleep. This is where ashwagandha's ability to regulate cortisol comes into play again. Remember how elevated cortisol levels keep us in fight or flight mode? This state of heightened alertness is not conducive to restful sleep. By lowering cortisol levels, ashwagandha may help to promote a sense of calm and relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. While more research is needed to confirm ashwagandha's direct impact on sleep, its stress-reducing properties suggest that it could be a valuable tool for improving sleep quality, particularly in those struggling with stress-related insomnia. While stress relief is perhaps ashwagandha's most well-known benefit, this versatile herb may offer a range of other health advantages. Some studies suggest that ashwagandha may help to improve cognitive function, boost the immune system, and even enhance athletic performance. However, it's important to emphasize that research in these areas is still in its early stages. More studies are needed to confirm these potential benefits and determine the optimal dosages and forms of ashwagandha for different purposes. Despite the need for further research, the wide array of potential health benefits associated with ashwagandha makes it an intriguing area of study for scientists and a popular choice for individuals seeking natural ways to support their health and well-being. With all the buzz surrounding ashwagandha, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and view it as a miracle cure-all. However, it's important to approach any supplement, even a natural one, with a healthy dose of skepticism. While ashwagandha shows promise for managing stress, improving sleep, and potentially offering other health benefits, it's not a magic bullet. Ashwagandha should be seen as one piece of the puzzle, alongside other healthy lifestyle habits like regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress management techniques, and adequate sleep. It's also crucial to remember that ashwagandha is not a substitute for professional medical advice or treatment. If you are experiencing health issues, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional. So, after exploring the historical uses, purported benefits, scientific evidence, and potential side effects, what's the verdict on ashwagandha? Is it worth considering for your health regimen? The answer, as with many things in health and wellness, is that it depends. Each individual's health needs and conditions are unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you're struggling with stress, anxiety, or sleep issues, and are looking for a natural approach to support your well-being, ashwagandha may be worth discussing with your doctor. It has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to promote balance and vitality. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms of action and long-term effects, the existing evidence suggests that ashwagandha may offer a safe and effective way to manage stress and potentially improve other aspects of health. Studies have shown promising results in reducing cortisol levels, which is a key stress hormone. Remember to approach ashwagandha as a complement to, not a replacement for, a healthy lifestyle and professional medical guidance. Incorporating it into a balanced diet, regular exercise, and mindfulness practices can enhance its benefits. With careful consideration and guidance from your healthcare provider, ashwagandha may be a valuable tool in your journey towards a healthier, more balanced you. Always ensure that any supplement fits well with your overall health plan and personal wellness goals. If you found this content helpful, please like this video and follow our channel for more informative and engaging content on natural health and wellness, and check the description for further resources and product recommendations. Remember, your journey to better health is unique, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Stay tuned for more videos on how you can enhance your well-being naturally and effectively.